This is how it looks like so far. They just placed the cables like inside this thing that goes all the way everywhere. Cables are also down there, and this is pressing down against that so it can glue onto the floor better. Even there and there. This is the smaller bedroom. It used to be my grandpa's room, and this is where I'd like the office room to be, aka the Bora/army room, because I want to display my collection here, BTS collection here somewhere, and I see the desk somewhere right there so it can be hid by natural lighting. Here's the master bedroom, aka my grandma's room. And it's, stepped on what I shouldn't have stepped. And here's everything, like the pieces of furniture that are still left, so I can still use them, because obviously I cannot afford buying proper furniture right as I move in, so yeah. All these are filled with stuff that I have to go through and pick what I still keep and not. So here's where the actual work will start. So many books. So I'm alone right now, and I can like talk you through what we did. So earlier you saw that I just had this like TV set up there. That's the original one. And these are drawers that used to be up there. And earlier today I brought all these boxes filled with just books that my grandma collected. Like, as you can see, they're all like new ones. See, like there's a collection with Agatha Christie, old stuff from me, another like old book. And yeah, there are a lot of books. I will have to sort through all these and see what I pick, but for now I will just keep them all. Obviously I will put them back into the bookcase once we bring everything from my grandma's room back here. But in time I will sort through all these as well. I don't hurry, it's fine. Here again we brought a bunch of stuff. This is the lighting that should have been in the living room, but the electrician found some malfunctioning in the wires in the actual wall in the living room, so he has to repair that, fix that first before they put this back. This is stuff that I don't use but want to keep, like a memories kind of box. More stuff that grandma collected that I probably will give away because I don't need it. Right there, there's an old sewing machine, and this one as well. This is a bookcase that will probably fill with books, but this will stay here, and obviously I will fill it probably with K-pop stuff, because that's what I want to do here, as I mentioned. So these will probably go into the bookcase that's gonna be put back into the living room. But again, it all takes time. I'm not rushing with anything, so this is a mess and it will probably still be a mess for quite a while, but I don't mind it. I know it takes time. I'm aware of that. And here there's more stuff. Again, we have to sort through these ones. Right there, I have no idea what's in this. Okay. Bunch of... There are toys in there as well. I might take these out and sort through those as well. And all these books, like, as you can tell, some of them aren't even taken out of their, like, plastic wrap and stuff, so they're really, really new. We cleaned around the balcony as well, because that's where all the boxes with the books were. The ones that I carried with my dad into the living room and I just showed you earlier. They were all stacked up here, and we freed this space. This is an old kind of like desk, and Dad said I should still use it for a while, and I think he probably forgot that I already have a desk, so I'm gonna be using the one I already have as a desk, and I will probably keep this one in the master bedroom as like a vanity, because it has these two like drawers. I can put stuff in there, so I'm still gonna keep this for a while as well. More stuff in here that I have to sort through as well. Look what I came across. All my plastified posters with Tokyo Hotel. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I loved this look on him. Oh my god. I cannot. This is... Oh, he smiled. He's so cute. Whoa. Oh my god. I'm gonna cry. Oh, man, I'm old. Oh my god. Here is the pantry, but it's currently filled with a bunch of boxes with all sorts of things that Grandma collected. And of course, once I move in, I will break in some of these and properly use them. But I love this like shelf unit so much. I really like it. Inside here there's more storage space, but again, it's filled with random things so far. This used to be a place, it goes in a bit deeper than the other one. Here, there used to be a place where my grandparents stored their shoes mostly. So I have to figure out a way once I move in to store these away in other places so I can make my shoes fit in here. And obviously I have more pairs than they had, so it's gonna be a challenge.